Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be telling you the change of character in the market and the BOS. What are these and how can we identify them? I will keep it very simple. First of all, we need to understand what are the lows and what are the highs in this trend. So I have uh, I have drawn an example here. So now we will try to identify the lows and highs together. So what do we have at the beginning? We have a lower low, and then the market goes up, we have a higher high, and then we are having a little drop. What happens here? Lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, and higher high again. And then now the things are starting. What happened in the other step? We had a huge drawdown. What happened? We shut the last low, and now we know that we have a change of character. Okay, this is actually the most basic way to tell you what is the change of character. If we shoot the last low, which means our trend has reversed. Now the market is not bullish anymore. So let's keep moving. We have another low now, and then lower high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low again. So in this video, I told you I will be telling you the change of character and the BOS. The BOS actually is the confirmation of the trend. Like what? As you can see, this low has become old high for the low. So we shot this low again. So now we know that the trend is still keep going. We are still bearish. So I will say we have break of structure. And then we have another break of structure. Okay, cool. So now you understand that actually these were also the BOS. So now we have understand the basics, what is the change of character in the market and the break of structure. Now I would like to show you on a real candlestick graphics. So let's keep moving. Okay guys, welcome back. This is our graphic. This is US 100, but it doesn't matter what is it, but it doesn't matter what it is, because the candlesticks are showing the same things, the buyers and the sellers, right? So now we will look at the market for the change of characters and break of structures. Let's start from the basics. Let's see the highs and the lows, and then try to see the change of character and the break of structure in the market. So what is this? A lower low, higher high, lower high, higher high. And then what happens? We have lower low. So, and then we made lower high, another low. By the way, okay, we may not break the last low, but unless we break this last high, we are still bearish. So keep in mind, I think this is a great example for not confusing these kind of things while looking at the market. Now we are making another lower high and a lower low again. Okay, we have identified our highs and lows. Now let's try to see where are the change of character in the market, where are the break of structures. So let's start. We were in an uptrend, and then our last low had been broken with this huge sellers coming in. So I will take the wick as a base and draw it into this candle. Okay, cool. This is our change of character in the market. Now, I know that we are not bullish anymore, we are bearish. So what happens later? Actually, we have another break of structure. Now, I might know that, okay, the market is still bearish. Now, but what happens? The market keeps increasing. It might happen sometime. Why? Because if we always knew the break of structure is the meaning of the confirmation, we would always winning. There might be some news, there might be some demand from the customers or whatever, right? Now, we will try to see what happens next. I haven't teach you the market yet, the session, the candlesticks, etc. So for now, we will be still looking our example. So after this low, right, we are making an high, and this high breaks the last second high, but this one is enough for us. This is a high time frame, which means all the candlesticks are more accurate. Now I see this, I took my tail last of the inside of the body. I never take the wicks as a confirmation. I always take into the body of the candle. Now, I do know that we have a change of character. The market structure has shifted basically, right? And then we see a lower high and a higher high if you are looking at the big outlook, right? And then, of course, now we can see it even with your eyes. We have a change of character, some pullbacks, keep decreasing. Okay, and these are all break of structures. This is a break of structure. This is a confirmation that we are still bearish. This is a confirmation. And this is a confirmation as well. So this is the easiest way to identify. And now, before I finish the video, if this is still confusing your mind, you can do something very easy, which I used to do at my first move. If it's so hard to identify them, just take your path tool, use the wicks as a base to use, and start drawing them. If these candles are confusing your minds, do this. Take them, take the low, take the high. Okay, I draw it. I want to understand what is the market. I took it here, right? I see that, okay, we made our lows, made our highs, and what happened? The other, okay, I see it. I have a change of character in the market. Cool. And what happens? The market gives initiation, inducement, and keeps decreasing as the fundamentals, right? Okay, so thank you for watching. It was my first video. Thank all of you. It was the basics of the understanding the market. See you in the next videos.